You going up?
I think so.
Good morning. It is Monday here at Evoke. We are getting ready. We've already got the team all spread apart on their projects. I'm getting ready to do some carbon fiber and send out some test panels, and basically we've just got a big week. We're leading up to Christmas, so we're going to get as much done as we can. We've got some deliveries to make. It is cold today, but we've got the heaters running in the hangar. It's not too bad. It's probably, 45, 50 degrees in here? So, nice and warm, nice and toasty. All right, let's get it. Big day, big week.
Last full week of the year.
It is?
Yeah, I think so,
yeah.
because Christmas next week, then New Year's.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the next day we're going to be a little short, so going to take advantage of it. All right, it is a frigid 30 degrees or below out here. Anyways, we're heading up to the delivery hangar where the guys are finishing up 2 airplanes that are going to be leaving out of here. We've got one leaving this morning that was just a touch-up. You guys saw us working on Dwight's 14. Just needed a little bit of love to get it back up to snuff. So we're going to go get it all ready to go and polished up, and then we're going to finish getting Kyle's plane ready to go. We've just got to seal the windows. It's cold, so the biggest problem we're going to run into is trying to get that sealant to dry in time. So we're getting kerosene, we're going to get the heaters fired up, and get that plane ready to go. It'd be cool to see it all finished up. So come check this out, Scotty. The top of the cowling on the 7, a really cool design feature. It's actually got a Spartan helmet glare shield. So we have a glare shield on top of the cowling in the shape of a Spartan helmet. So anyways, we painted it matte black, and so that's dried overnight. Now we're going to unmask it and see what it looks like. Pretty cool.
So close to being satisfied.
Never mind.
Okay, it's rainy. Everyone's working on secret projects I can't film, which means that I must journey into the one place I swore I would never go. The design room.
Hey Chris, how do you design an airplane?
What kind of question is that?
Just let me know. How do you design airplanes?
Like this?
I don't know.
I don't know, I just work here.
I don't know how to design airplanes. I'm just the airplane designer.
Yeah. I just make stuff, man.
That's pretty sick.
Comes out of my noggin.
Hey Adam, how do you design airplanes?
I don't.
Yeah.
I say as I'm designing an airplane.
Hey John, how do you design airplanes? Okay, cool. All right, Jonathan, jump scare. Question of the week. Because literally ever since we've started doing question of the week, we've had one question more than anything else, and it's what kind of paint does Evoke use?
That's a great question. Everybody always wants to know. So here at Evoke, we use Axalta Aviation paints. Generally speaking, that's for primers, our clear coat, top coat, everything's going to be in the Aviation line. So that's like their AF series, I think is what Axalta calls it. But yeah, we're in the Aviation series. We have kind of stuck with that paint because it's perfect for Alabama weather. It's great in high humidity, low humidity, high temps, low temps. We've had a lot of luck with painting this year around, even though the temperature changes and the settings change a little bit in our building. So we've worked with Sherwin-Williams, PPG, Axo Nobel, Mankiewicz. all those are really good products. It's just for us, we've stuck to Axalta. We also have a local distributor. So if you're looking for paint, it is important to have support around you. So if you've got somebody that sells the paint more locally, or they can get it to you or answer questions if you're looking for it, that definitely is a huge plus. It is for us because we've got a local distributor and we can get everything here locally. But yeah, Axalta. That was a really long answer for one Axalta. Yeah.
Awesome. And that's the question of the week.
Huzzah!
Not again. So you just got to do that for each of these little rectangles over the entirety of where we have it masked off.
Yes.
I'm not filming all that, man.
It's about to take off.
Whoa, don't run my shorts to fall down.
Run, Scotty.
Okay, let's try this again. Chris, what's the process of designing an airplane like?
Well, you send us a design questionnaire. No, we send you.
God, Chris, come on. Okay, so everyone's been acting real sus today. And Chris has disappeared for an hour and has just returned and said, I need to vlog something and to come to the breezeway. Oh, whoa! So why did we get tacos?
When have you ever needed an excuse to have tacos? Honestly.
You know what? Good point. Good point.
Got Dakota.
Hey Chris, what's the design process like here to vote?
So we'll send you a design questionnaire that'll have questions on it gauging your interests, what you're looking for with the design. We'll send you 4 ideas to get started. You'll review those. We'll talk about them, talk about what you like, what you don't like. And from there, we'll just work back and forth, refining the design until we get to what you want, and we'll finalize it, and yeah.
And do we only design the experimentals, right? That's all we design.
No, not at all.
No.
No, we design for everything. So any kind of plane. That's I think a common misconception because our shop only paints experimentals. The design service we design for everything. So.
And if we don't have the plane, we'll literally make it.
Yeah, if it's an airframe that we've never made a design for before, we make those from scratch. So we'll put together the airframe and go from there. So
yeah, we nailed that. Let's go.
Got some 10 holes here, baby.
Okay, so it is Monday today. I missed a chance to talk about Friday because we were very busy with the pickup and Kyle taking his plane. Beautiful before and after transformation. We're really excited for that. But Huge shout out to Kyle. He gave us this really cool gift, an American flag that was flown on the 10th anniversary of 9/11 in one of his Apache helicopters. And he was actually the one flying that flag. That was really, really cool and thoughtful. And then he even took up a couple of our guys for a flight. And one of them, it was the first time they'd ever been flying. And what an opportunity to pull some G's and do a couple of rolls. They had a really good time.
How'd it go?
Pretty good. What'd you think? What did you think? There you go, old son.
That's the hardest I've ever seen Justin cheese.
So how was it?
10 out of 10.
Man, I can't think of a better way to end a week.
We could do it with the airplane starting in the background.
we had birria, and now we have this amazing pickup.
So, believe it or not, it's not all about food here at Evoke Aviation. It is about delivering beautiful airplanes and our team coming together in the end to always deliver a safe and really great looking airplane. Thank you guys if you made it this far for watching. We appreciate you. Do all the things, click the buttons, and see us next time. And yeah, check out this beauty.
Hey Chris, how does design work?
What?